So at the time, this was before the First World War, my mother, if I can try to present a picture of what her life was like. She lived on a short street, which wasn't paved. So it got very muddy, obviously, at the time of winter thaw or when it rained. So they had wooden planks that they put down in order to walk. It was a small house, and most of the houses on the street had a sort of a circumferential small yard area, and usually enough for a wagon and a horse. They had some type of crude outhouse. Water was obtained by going to some more common pump, and my mother said that, well, I had to walk uphill, and especially in the winter, it was very slippery. They had a chicken at some point. They slept on, it's hard to call them mattresses, but rather they were sort of something fashioned that looked like a mattress made out of straw. And so the siblings tended to sleep on something, I suppose in my mind, some sort of wooden planks on a sawhorse, if not literally a sawhorse, but some arrangement like that. And the grandmother slept sort of elevated but above the stove, and the stove was the source of heat. Food, breakfast might consist of tea. They had butter, bread and jelly for breakfast. At other times, there were potatoes, eggs, no real meat. It was animal fat that they ate. Life went along. Obviously, the Polish at the well, it was Russian, and the Polish winters were quite severe. In fact, she said that, for example, very often the bolt of the door, the front door, well, the inside portion of it had ice on it. So it was cold. Another anecdote, for example, was that, people who lived at her economic stage, for example, if the man had a suit that looked worn and dirty, well, just turn it inside out, and you've got a new suit. So things like that.